Yeah, and here's the other thing. What's your name?
I'm not giving my name.
You're not giving your name. Why not?
Because I broke a no law. I don't need to give my name.
Okay.
But your officer, supervisor, Lemke, Lemke, and your badge number?
I don't have a badge number.
You don't have, okay. But Supervisor Lemke, okay.
Not to block the driveway so he doesn't get hit by it.
What's going on? You won't give him his license?
I need a sergeant.
You're not getting a sergeant. Unlock the car. Don't
Listen.
You will get a sergeant, but you gotta go to our station.
No.
Yes.
He told me there was no sergeant available.
There isn't a sergeant available.
How do you guys know?
What happens when a citizen peacefully protests outside an abortion clinic and suddenly faces officers who can't even cite the law they're enforcing? A quiet standoff turns into a legal chess match. Cameras rolling, questions flying, the Constitution on the table. So, who's really breaking the law here?
City property. So far, so good?
City property, yeah.
Okay, you guys can't have signs attached to the poles or the trees.
That's never been a problem in the past, ever.
I just talked to my lieutenant
Okay.
at the district, and he says that you can't have anything attached to the signs or the trees.
Why didn't they ever bring that up before?
I don't know.
Okay,
I don't know. I'm just telling you what I literally just talked to him about.
okay.
Okay?
What?
We're not denying the fact
Right.
that you talked to him. We're
Right.
just, we've never been told.
I'm
that
telling
before.
you
Okay.
right now, you can't attach anything to city property.
Can you give us the ordinance?
I don't know the ordinance off the top of my head.
So we're supposed to take your word for it?
I mean, we could talk at the district if you'd really like to, but I don't think we need to do that either, do we?
Well, you said.
For reference so that we can look it up.
Well, I'm sure you can look. I mean, I don't know off the top of my head how many city ordinances are there. I don't know. I've been doing this for 20 years. I don't know all the city ordinances. I'm just asking you.
Well, you're saying it's an ordinance, so we would assume that you know the ordinance if you're bringing it up.
Do you want to take the signs down, yes or no?
We're just asking you for an ordinance. That's all we're asking you for.
I don't know what the ordinance is. I'm telling you, you can't have it on city property. That's what it says.
So we just take your word for it?
Yeah, take my word for it for right now and then look it up and then find out what the city ordinance is. I can probably do it, but it's going to take me a while. I don't have time to do that today.
But you have time to come and talk to us?
Because somebody called us here.
And what, complained or something?
Yes.
About what? Signs?
You on the megaphone.
Well,
You're not supposed to be on the megaphone.
You're talked about the signs. That's the only thing you brought up so far. Before that.
We'll take down the signs.
Thank you.
We'll
Thank
pass
you.
the signs. We're just
Thank
wanting
you.
the ordinance number.
I don't know what the ordinance number is off the top of my head. I show up, I call my lieutenant, I tell him exactly what you guys are doing, I tell him where everything is, and he says they can't have anything attached to city property.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, we've dealt with a lot of police here in this district, in District 1, and even
Have you
in
dealt with me
other,
before?
No.
No.
Not that I know. But we've dealt with a number of police officers that will just pull up some random idea and claim it's an ordinance. So
I'm just
we
telling
just
you
have to
what
make
my
sure.
lieutenant says. Okay?
All right.
My lieutenant is in charge of our major incident response team, so he's well versed in the ordinances and stuff like that on what you guys can and can't do. If you'd like, I'll give him a call and ask him for the exact ordinance so that way I can tell you guys.
We would appreciate
Yes,
it.
please.
Okay, so while I'm doing that, start taking the signs down, please.
All right.
Well, we like to wait until you find the ordinance.
I can take the signs down for you if you'd like me to.
No, I don't want you to do it until you give us the ordinance. We're just asking you to do your job, officer.
that?
We're just asking you to do your job.
Yeah, and here's the other thing. What's your name?
I'm not giving my name.
You're not giving your name. Why not?
Because I broke a no law. I don't need to give my name.
Okay.
But your officer, supervisor, Lemke, Lemke,
Sir, try not to block
and
the
your badge number?
driveway.
I don't have a badge number.
You don't have, okay. But Supervisor Lemke, okay.
Not to block the
Okay.
driveway so he doesn't get hit by a car as we're trying to exit.
No traffic.
And Officer Piceno,
Officer Piceno.
Piceno,
Yep.
and your badge number?
021526.
021252. Sorry, say that one more time.
021526.
Okay. And Officer Sanchez
Sanchez Alcantara.
Alcantara, and your badge number?
Badge number 207.
2071. Thank you.
So obviously we got called here.
Oh, yes, sir.
callers claiming that you're on the megaphone,
I was.
causing them a disturbance.
And
you
I've
have the megaphone out.
what's that?
Obviously, you're not using it, so that's good. Maybe they came out and warned you not to use the megaphone because it was causing them disturbance. I don't know. But that's what we got called out here for.
I've not had a problem using it before in the past.
People have said to.
At this point, if it's causing disturbance to somebody and that somebody's calling us, it's a noise nuisance
Well,
or disorderly conduct because it's causing disturbance to them.
well,
I
but
understand that you guys have had other encounters with other officers, but I'm just telling you that that's a noise nuisance by the book.
well, what was it? Is there an ordinance that says you cannot use a megaphone or amplification of any kind in Milwaukee?
It's
the fact that what you're using is causing somebody a disturbance.
Stay away from the driveway so you don't get hit.
Well, but if there's no ordinance against using it, then
You're causing a noise nuisance by using a megaphone is the disturbance. Using the megaphone to cause noise that's disturbing somebody else that's calling us now. I don't know how much simpler that can be, but that's a noise nuisance. Okay?
Are the ordinances different in each district?
No. As far as the city of Milwaukee, the ordinance is the same.
Okay.
They can be different in different counties and different cities, but as far as the city of Milwaukee, it's all the same. You might have had encounters with officers that might have just gave you guys a fair warning and went on about their day, but those were those decisions made by those officers. We're not those officers, so you can't use what you have experienced with other officers with what we're experiencing right now. I'm just telling you.
In District 1, we were given the number of ordinance which said that if it came from a vehicle, then it covered like radios from vehicles or any other noise caused from a vehicle or something else. It didn't mention a whole one.
There's a separate one for vehicles when it's related to vehicles, and there's a separate one for noise nuisance in general, which could be house parties, bar music from obviously bars going on that are having loud music, or just houses, neighbors living close to each other, and one neighbor has loud music and it's causing a disturbance to the other. Because there's two separate programs for our citations. There's our citations for tracks, what we call it. That's our vehicle, any vehicle violation. Sir.
So is there an ordinance in Milwaukee that says you cannot use amplification?
No,
Or is it
the
under
ordinance that I'm speaking of is the one that you guys just in general making an excessive amount of noise that's causing a disturbance to somebody else.
We'd have to measure the decibel level of the megaphone, right?
Even for disorderly conduct.
And if you could say something to one of these guys, he had his phone recording and pointing at my vehicle.
And you're going in to participate in the murder of babies, ma'am.
Even regardless of the noise nuisance, it's the fact that somebody called saying that you using the megaphone was causing them a disturbance is a disorderly conduct.
No, it's not, because anyone can say that anywhere. That they don't get to stomp on your First Amendment rights just because they don't like what you're saying or that you're
First
loud.
Amendment rights is one thing, but using a megaphone to do what they're saying causes a disturbance. That's why we're here.
Well, what if I use my own voice and cause a disturbance?
That's fine.
Well,
Use your own voice, yeah.
well, what's the difference? I mean, as long as you don't have an ordinance against using amplification, if I'm disturbing them with a megaphone in my regular voice, what's the difference, honestly?
Apparently they can't hear your voice.
What's that?
They can't hear your voice with the megaphone inside.
Where did
That's
the
what's
phone call
causing
come from? Did it come from over there?
No idea.
Those apartment buildings? These have been directed into the building the whole time.
Right.
So that they
But,
can...
see, and that's where the issue is. It's the same concept of your neighbor's causing too much noise when it's causing you a disturbance, and you call the police. But you can't really put a distance to it because anyone in the city of Milwaukee, you're going to be maybe within 10, 15 feet of your neighbor between houses, and when they're playing loud music and it's causing you disturbance, you have the right to call the police for a noise nuisance. So there's no distance.
Take pregnancy lightly.
They would have more of a...
Take this and even read it inside. You can read it in
More
the
of
lobby
a...
if you want.
Okay, sir, she obviously doesn't want your information, so...
He can talk if he wants. Ma'am, we can help you.
Maybe doesn't want to die. Maybe wants to live.
Ma'am, we can help. You know they're murdering babies in there? And you have a duty as police officers to do something about that, to protect these children from being murdered. You do. That's your duty before God Almighty. You should arrest a serial killer putting children to death in here. You're worried about what we're doing out here, worried about signs and a megaphone, but what they're murdering babies in there.
Doctrine.
Okay.
You can, any one of you can take to read.
Okay.
It deals with your duty before God.
That's my partner.
Yeah, so the issue's not here that you guys are out here practicing the First Amendment. The issue is that you're using a megaphone that's causing them a disturbance in them. That's what it is. That's what we're doing, and that's what we're here dealing with.
Because the
signage is illegal signage. My boss is currently looking up the actual ordinance since you guys are very curious to know it, which is understandable. What you guys can do on your own time as well. Just Google City of Milwaukee ordinances and you will find the illegal signage on there as well as the noise nuisance and the excessive noise from a vehicle, as far as your loud music with stereos and all that stuff that was explaining. It's all on there. We're not hiding anything.
Okay.
We're not, we're not robots. We're not here to memorize every single statute number in there.
Well, I would assume that if you're bringing something up, you would know the ordinance number.
I'll talk to you.
Okay.
244-18. That is the city ordinance. 244-18.
All right, and you have the print right on there.
I took a picture of it on my phone.
Okay.
I can read it to you if you'd like.
Sure. Please.
Temporary banners and other non-rigid signs. Signs on public property, right, prohibited. It shall be unlawful for any person except a public officer or government employee in the performance of their public duty to maintain, place, erect, paint, paste, print, nail, tack, or otherwise fasten any card, banner, picture, handbill, sign, poster, or advertising, or notice of any kind, or cause the same to be done on any curb, sidewalk, or public thoroughfare surface, fence, board, barrel, box, case, railing, pole post, tree, barricade, material, bridge fender, dock, pile, building, or structure of any kind on public ground or public waterway within the city, except as may be prohibited by this chapter or provision of the Milwaukee Code.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
So you can just lean against the pole?
No.
Because they're not talking about fastening?
Nope. Not touching it. If you want to carry the sign, carry the sign.
Okay.
You can't put it on anything.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
So if you want to carry the signs, carry them.
And
You just can't put them on the thing.
And the number again is
244-18.
Okay.
Okay.
You guys have that on your body cameras and everything?
And on Facebook Live, you're being watched by 10 people.
By how many?
10.
Nice. That's not bad.
Well, it is bad if you're being a tyrant. If you're not being a tyrant, then...
Well, I'm just telling you what the city ordinance is.
Okay.
So I'm not really being a tyrant, I'm just telling you.
No, I'm saying if you're being a tyrant, then it's bad. If you're not being a tyrant, then that's fine.
Yeah, like I said, you want to carry the signs? Carry them. You just can't put them on the things. Don't yell at people on the megaphones. Don't.
I still haven't seen an ordinance for that, and I was asking them, they couldn't give me an ordinance.
It's ordinance 80-60. 80-60.
There you go.
So,
Don't block the driveway.
That's-
Maintain your social distancing, and have a wonderful day.
okay. Well, you're within 6 feet. So
Right, and you guys are within 6 feet of each other.
And you're,
there's only some side.
Right.
yeah, less than
I
6
don't
feet
like to
between
yell,
officers.
so I'm just telling you, so that way I don't have to yell.
We do have
You
a
guys have a-
constitutional right to be.
I didn't say that you
heard,
can't leave.
so.
I didn't say that you have to leave. Stay here.
I'm
Stay
talking
here all
about
day.
both.
Right.
We can be loud enough to be heard according to.
Do what you. Hey, you know what? Do what you need to do to make your point.
Just letting you know that.
That's what
I
I'm doing.
understand. Like I said,
being
I've been doing.
combative.
I'm not. I didn't say you were.
Okay.
Can't have the stuff on the poles or the
All right.
trees. You can carry it. You can stand here. Do what you need to do. Don't obstruct the driveways. Don't obstruct people coming and going.
We don't.
Perfect. Have a great day.
If the police can't cite the law, you don't have to play their game. This encounter is a reminder that orders aren't laws, and feelings aren't facts. In a time when speech is treated like a threat and peaceful dissent is met with intimidation, your knowledge of the law is your best defense. Always ask for the ordinance, always record, and never surrender your rights just because someone in uniform tells you to.
This encounter is a reminder. Orders aren't laws, and feelings aren't facts. When speech is treated like a threat, intimidation replaces freedom. Your knowledge of the law is your best defense. Always ask for the ordinance. Always record. Never surrender your rights just because someone in uniform says so. It starts like any ordinary stop. Flashing lights, a supposed traffic infraction, and a driver just getting through a rough day. But what happens next is anything but routine. With threats of a K-9 search hanging in the air, one man refuses to fold. This isn't just a traffic stop. It's a showdown where knowing your rights may be the only defense you've got.
Turn off 167 on LaGrange Road. You made it in the middle lane. You gotta make it into the left lane, the curb lane.
I went in the left lane.
You went right into the left, the middle
No,
lane.
I didn't.
You
No, I
have a driver's
didn't.
license insurance
No, I
on you?
didn't. You got footage?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, no. Show me the footage.
You
You're
can't
lying.
see it.
I went into the left lane.
Okay, can I have your driver's license and proof of insurance?
I need a sergeant.
No, I need a driver's license and proof of
No.
insurance.
Don't tell me no.
I do.
I need a sergeant.
There's no sergeant available right now.
Yes, there is. Call in, and I need to hear on the radio if there isn't. Then we can go from there.
No, you're not running
No.
my traffic stop. Someone asked you for your driver's
No,
license and proof of insurance.
you're pulling me over, and it's wrong.
It's not. Driver's license
I went
and
into the
insurance.
left lane. No.
44, another car.
What's going on?
You won't give me a license.
All right, move. What's going on, man? What's going on? You won't give him his license?
I need a sergeant.
You're not getting a sergeant. Unlock the car. Go.
Listen.
You will get a sergeant, but you gotta go to our station.
No.
Yes.
He told me there was no sergeant available.
There isn't a sergeant available.
How do you guys know?
But you can go because we have a little clipboard that our computer shows how everyone's available and not available. We do not have a sergeant on scene right now. If you want to complain though,
Okay.
you can go to our
Look.
station.
Take your hand off my door. I'm gonna give you my license.
roll the window
Okay?
down.
I
Roll the
will.
window
I will.
All right,
I'm gonna
just so
give
you
you my
know-
license.
Okay.
We need to calm down the situation.
You
All right?
too, okay?
Okay.
All right, then we're good. You got
All
a
right.
license?
All right.
All right, just so
Okay.
you know that if you decide to take off, there's a stop stick
I already
underneath your
stopped.
tire,
I already
okay?
stopped.
I'm just telling you,
I-
there's a
look,
stop stick underneath your
I
tire in
don't
case you
care.
take
I
off,
don't
okay?
care. I
just
stopped.
have to inform
If
you.
somebody stops, why they running away? Right?
I've seen it.
I don't care.
I've seen people have your ID on you.
Okay. Just calm down. I'm cool. Okay. Here's
We're
my
good.
here's my license.
Yeah, you're
Y'all
right.
just caught me on a bad day, okay?
What's going on today?
It don't matter what's going on. I'm in a bad mood, okay? That's it. It doesn't matter what's going on.
What'd you do today?
It doesn't matter. Okay, here's my license. Check it. If y'all want to write me the ticket, I'm going to court. That's it.
Nah, man, look, we ain't trying to make you write a ticket and everything.
No,
As long
because
as
you
you're
guys
cool
were in the
with
gas station, and then you guys were in the light, and y'all followed me, right or not? Y'all targeted me,
No,
right or not?
No, you didn't use the turn signal.
I did not.
And you
But why
and
he
you made
didn't
an
tell me
improper
that? He didn't
turn.
tell me. I did put up turn signal number one.
Not-
He told
not
me
turning-
it was because
not
I went in the
turning-
middle lane.
Not turning.
Anyway, this is not
southbound
something to
on
argue
LaGrange
about.
Road.
We're not arguing. If you want to write me a ticket, write me it. I'll go to court,
Okay.
and we can work from there. I don't want no problems. I don't want
I don't want a
to
problem
make
either.
a fucking movie and all this stupid shit.
Nah,
We don't
fuck
need
that
it.
shit, right?
We don't need it.
We don't need it. Where you stay at?
Doesn't matter. It's on my license.
All right, dude.
Okay?
You ain't gotta be a dick.
I told you I'm pissed off today. Okay?
Yeah, I have bad days too, but you know if I act like that, like
Y'all
this,
targeted me.
I'm not targeting you.
Y'all was following me from the gas station.
Nope.
Yes or no?
Was our vehicle behind you?
And then y'all, it
Was
was a
our
red
vehicle-
light. Y'all cut the light without turning
Because you
on
didn't
your
use
lights.
the turn signal, and then
No,
you
I
made an
did.
improper turn.
I did. If
No,
you could
didn't.
show me the footage.
So we do. We have our camera, our dash cam on. But hear me out. We saw you not use a turn signal. Okay? And then you made an improper turn. I don't know if he didn't tell you that, but I'm telling you that now. Because I was on that side, I couldn't hear shit because of the wind and the traffic driving by.
All right.
We good?
Yeah, we're good.
As soon as your license checks out valid, we'll get you out of here, alright?
All right.
Okay?
All right.
I don't like to write tickets.
All
Okay?
right.
I'll be straight with you. I don't like to write tickets.
All right.
How old are you?
It's on my license.
I don't got your license, man.
All right. Please, I don't want to have no small talk. I'm just not in the mood. All right.
I get it.
All
You
right.
don't gotta do small talk then. But the whole thing, I did have to tell you about the stop sticker, okay? That's underneath your tire.
I'm not going nowhere. I stopped. All right.
Dude, I can't tell you how many times people have handed me their license, and they're like, all right, see you later.
All right, because y'all playing little games also. Y'all on Indiana plates, right?
We don't what?
Y'all playing games. Y'all got
playing games.
Indiana license
You know how much
plates.
cheaper it is to have
All
shit
right.
out of Indiana?
It's not that it's cheaper. That's bullshit.
It is cheaper.
And then y'all got an Uber sticker. It's cheaper?
Yeah, it's an unmarked
cheaper
flag.
too? Come on, bro.
It's an unmarked
Y'all
flag.
playing stupid games, you win stupid prizes. That's what it is.
No,
Don't
that's
tell
an
me it's
unmarked
cheaper.
squad. It is cheaper, by the way. Indiana compared to Illinois is completely cheaper. And I think you know that. Illinois is bullshit. Alright, give me a second. We'll get you out here in the morning, alright?
Y'all see the bullshit I gotta fucking deal with? The motherfuckers wanna come live in Chicago, man. Come on, bro.
Real quick, I see you reaching all over the place, man. You good?
I'm good, man. How long it take to write a ticket, bro?
Alright, I'm working on it.
Oh,
I'm gonna ask you got anything in this car we gotta know
There ain't
about?
no
Guns,
weapons,
drugs,
there's
knives,
nothing.
bombs,
I
explosives?
already told her. I'm not making no problems, there's no problems. Okay?
Okay, I'm just
That's
asking
that
you.
word is bond. That's it.
I can't hear you. What?
Word is bond.
Word is what?
It's bond.
It's bun?
No problems.
Okay. Alright, so
All
do
right.
we have any of those illegal substances in the vehicle?
What
Any
did
contraband?
I just say?
I don't understand.
I said there's nothing in the car.
You said the word is bum, so I didn't understand what that meant.
Bond. B-O-N-D.
Okay.
Bond.
What does
All
that
right? It doesn't matter what it means. Anyway, how long does it take to write a ticket?
Well, at this point, because of the way you're acting, everything going on, I'm working on getting a canine to come out.
All
here.
right, bring K9, bring the FBI, bring the CIA. Do whatever you gotta do, bro.
Okay, so I'm asking if there's anything now we can.
I already told you.
Okay. All right,
That's
give me a
it.
couple minutes.
All right.
You good?
I already told you. I'm good. I don't no problems, nothing.
Alright. No, so, I mean, if you don't want to wait for a canine, you could just step out.
Well, I gotta step out.
You don't gotta step out. I'm just saying, if you don't want to wait on for a canine, then we could just make this fast. There's nothing in the car that a dog's an alert on. We could just search the
Bring
car
the
and then
dogs. Bring the dogs.
go. Okay. I'm just trying to make it fast for you because
No,
you said you gotta go.
no, because you say you was gonna give me a warning. Now you want to bring the dogs and all this shit.
We did have a warning for you.
All right, it's all right.
Huh?
It's all right. Do what you gotta do.
Okay. Alright, man, here's your ID back. This is just a warning. We're not gonna make you wait another 15 minutes for dog. I'm not doing it, okay? All this is just a warning. Just says why we stopped you, okay?
All right.
Got any questions for me?
No.
Okay, you're all good to go, okay?
All right.
Take care.
All
I hope your
right.
day gets better. Seriously.
All right. What motherfuckers want to do is waste people's time, bro. That's all they want to fucking do. Fucking bullshit.
This encounter is a reminder that even a routine traffic stop can spiral fast when emotions and egos collide. But here's the truth. You don't have to be rude or scared. You just have to be informed. Demand clarity. Stand firm. And remember, compliance under confusion isn't safety, it's surrender. Know your rights before they're treated like a privilege.
This encounter proves how fast a routine traffic stop can spiral when ego takes the wheel. But the truth is, you don't need fear or anger. You need knowledge. Ask questions. Demand clarity. Stand firm. Because compliance under confusion isn't safety. It's surrender. Know your rights before someone tries to treat them like a privilege. Tot.